Let's talk about the best first mods for your Z900. First, we'll cover the ones that I've already done, and the next couple that I plan on doing. The first thing I actually got was the tail tidy because, oh my gosh, this thing is disgusting stock. It's huge and it just looks foul. Yeah, the tail tidy just instantly cleaned up the bike and made it look way more sharp. Next thing on my list was the mirrors because, again, they're big and ugly. And there's a couple of different options on Amazon or Fortnite. It just depends on how much you want to spend. I ended up going with the Amazon ones because I'm not spending $300 on mirrors when I can get them for 35 bucks on Amazon. Next up is the big one. It's the exhaust. This is the one that I was probably most excited about until I realized you could do the ECU tune, but we'll get to that next. You know, I'm not going to argue that it doesn't sound good for a stock exhaust. I think it sounds pretty damn good, but compared to an aftermarket, full headers and exhaust. Now what it sounds like on a quick little pull. Not only does it sound a lot better, but the whole exhaust weighs 25 to 30 pounds stock, so you're shedding a lot of weight. Now for the best thing I've done to this bike, by far, was the ECU tune. I got it done by Two Wheel Dyno Works, and it made the bike a completely different machine. Now it has much smoother throttle control, more power, more torque. It runs a lot cooler now because the fans kick in a lot faster. If you're going to get an exhaust or you want a little more go-go, then this is the main thing I do to the bike. Anyway, that's what I've got done so far. Maybe I'll make another one on my future mods. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.